started. So we have three kind of Tableau: Tableau Prep, Tableau Desktop, and Tableau Public. Tableau Prep is totally desktop version. Okay. Tableau Desktop is also same the desktop version, and Tableau Public is the web version. Okay. So, but in Tableau Public is only free. Tab, yeah, Prep and the Tableau Desktop is a trial version, 14 days trial, free trial. After that, we have to pay for it. Okay. So our language basically connect with the Tableau desktop version. So let's start today and let's try to do it. Okay. So first is module 13 integration of Tableau with the R. Okay. First is Tableau prep. Why we use Tableau prep? Tableau prep are used to clean the data. Okay. Module 12 is all about the Tableau prep. If you go through the videos, the last video, you will understand all the things. All right. R language. What is R language? It's a statistical analytics language. Statistical, yeah. So analyze the data. For statistical analysis, we use R language. And Tableau Public. Tableau Public is used to create dashboards and publish the report. Correct? Now, in this module, you will learn how Tableau can connect with R to perform advanced statistical analysis. You know what is statics? Hmm. If I say statics means we are going to find average, standard deviation, mean, median, mode, then deviation, these kind of things. Yeah, bar chart, this kind of data. Okay, that is statistical analysis. Then predictive modeling and the custom calculation. Okay. Now introduction to the R language. So what is R? R is an open source programming language used for statistical analysis, data visualization, machine learning, predictive analytics, and data mining. Okay, so we use R language for these activities. Okay, fine. So R is widely used for data analyst, like data analyst, data scientist, researchers, and the statistician. All right. Features of R: free and open source. First of all, R is free. Just download and install in your system and use it. You can simply learn the R. No extra payment needed, just for free. Large collection of statistical functions, powerful visualization capabilities, support machine learning algorithm, and easily integrate with the Tableau. It can integrate with the Tableau. Connect. R can connect with the Tableau. All right. Let's suppose we, by the help of R language, we calculate a formula. We create some statistical measurement. Okay, but that is in the form of data. But that data can be converted into the picture form. How? By the help of Tableau. Yeah, that's why R and Tableau can be combined. Why integrate R with the Tableau? Tableau provide excellent visualization capabilities, while R provide advanced analytics. Got it? Using R with the Tableau, you can perform a statistical calculation, create predictive modeling, run uh, cluster, clustering algorithm, forecast trends, build custom visualizations. Tableau plus R workflow. How it can work? Let's understand with the diagram. So let's suppose it's a Tableau server. It's a Tableau desktop. where we create a graph or chart. So we push data from Tableau to the R language. Okay, R language can calculate the statistical things. After calculation, they again back this data to the Tableau, to the server, and by the help this after this calculation, we create a chart on the Tableau desktop. Understand the circle? Fine. See, this kind of images we created, like this kind of groups of things, statistical things. First, go through this entire chapter process. So, data loaded into the Tableau first. Tableau send data to the R. R perform calculation. Result return to the Tableau, and Tableau display visualization. Okay. Application and use case of R. So, predictive analytics, future sales prediction. We can use by the help of this R. We can future sales prediction. We can predict the future of sales. Okay. Let's suppose we have a 5-year data or 2-year data, back data, historical data. Okay. By the help of that past data, our system can analyze the future sales. Let's suppose in 2023, 2024, 2025, we have 3-year data, sales data. So we can predict what is the sales in 2026. What are the movements? Okay. So future sales prediction, demand forecasting, how much demand needed to the customers. We can predict that also. Customer growth forecast. We can understand the growth of customers. By the help of old data, we can understand how much possibilities of the customers would be increased every year. All right. So let's suppose we have a sales of each month, like January, we have 10,000, February, 12,000, March, 15,000, April, 18,000. Now, after this month, April, we can predict what is the sales in May, June, and July, or after that, by the help of this increment. Okay. So R can predict future sales for upcoming month. Statistical analysis. So correlate analysis, regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and ANOVA. These are the analysis in statics. Okay. After business use case, finding relation between marketing spends and the revenue. We can find the relation between marketing spend and the revenue. Yes. Then customer segmentation. R can group the customer based on purchase frequency, spending habits, age, and the location. They create a groups. Let's suppose I am creating a group of customer. Okay. So like this is one group. This is another group. This is third group. So by the help of this R, customer segmentation, and can group the customer based on purchase frequency. Let's say their frequency is same, so they group the customer in one group. Spending habit, they create a group of spending habit. Age, according to age they create a groups. Location, according to location they create a group. So we can understand what kind of customer are they there and what kind of product sell more. Okay. Yes, different categories. So we can understand with this R language and statistical analysis, and we can show on the graph also. Yes. Use for targeted market campaign. Machine learning. Are you aware of this? Learning. Hello. Yeah. You're learning, or you want to learn. Yeah. So machine learning is very important. Actually, this is machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Okay. By the help of machine learning, then natural language processing, deep learning, and NLP, natural language processing. Of combining all of the things, we create a AI features things. Okay. So how machine learning work? Any idea? See, when you learn the Python, you can easily create a machine which can learn automatically. How automatically they will learn? So see, we will code, we will give a code, but if they get a new thing, how they can react? How machine can react? No. We did not try. That is the beauty of AI. That is the beauty of machine learning. We need not write code again and again. Just we have to write code once. That's all, and it will learn automatically every time. How? Let me explain. See, uh, let's suppose for human being there is a kids. Okay, how kids learn? They learn from their parents. Parents, parents. They look after the parents, how they behave, how they speak, which words they use. Okay, so they store in their mind. Correct. And after that, they use same words, same activities, same things. Alright. So they start thinking. So after that, the day pass, they become younger, and so many data they store in their mind. Okay, and that past data they can use to speak, communicate, talk, laugh, anger, everything. Correct. Same thing we can do with the machine learning. We give old data to the our system, past data. Let's suppose if you want to type on a chat gpt, if you want to ask anything about chat gpt, let's suppose about USA, tell me about the America. They give all the details about the America. From where they get? They get from so many data source. There so many old data there on the internet, on the websites. So chat gpt starts searching each website, thousands of the websites, thousands of the database, and they gather all the information, and they filter the information, and they give proper the actual answer. Okay. So I will show you how machine learning work. We have to give some set of data, past data. Okay. Let's suppose I give 2 year past data about the sales of the things, sales of the company. Okay. After that, when I ask to the system what is the sales in the next year, machine learning will tell us because of the past data. They see the past data, they check the result, according to that they predict the future and say the answer. That is machine learning. That is AI. All right. So I know the AI because I am the student of AI and all these subjects. Yeah, my background is the AI also. Yeah. Yes. So, but learning AI, before AI, we have to learn Python. Then we can learn AI. Mm-hmm. Yes. Hmm. Okay, no problem. No problem. So AI, Python is very interesting language. You can do so many things with this. R is not too much. It's only give the statical things, but Python will give you lots of things. You can do anything with. Huh? Huh? See, there is a 19 module. If you want to learn from one to last, there is a 19 module in Python. So total 19 class is enough. But more or less, ye- enough, enough. Yeah, yeah. Why not? So after that, see machine learning. So customer tune prediction means customer stop using a company product or service. So machine learning can predict because they show their interest. Here we create a group of customers. So by the help of machine learning or statistical learning, we understand what are the demands of the products. So they already understand customers stop using the company product and service in future. Okay. Fraud detection. They can detect the fraud. Product recommendation. They can recommend the product. Let's suppose I am searching every time something technology things. Okay, related to the IT, related to the coding, related to the dashboards. So the when I am using the AI, this machine learning can store my data, my using ability, using habits. Okay, and when again I reach to this website and when I start, they already suggest me these are the IT products, these are the dashboards, these are the things because they store my past data. Okay, according to the past data they give me the suggestions. So sometime when you watch a movie on a Netflix or you want to shop something on a Flipkart or Amazon or some other websites, they suggest you the things. Let's suppose you want to buy a jeans pant or you want to buy a laptop. Okay, next time they already show you the laptops and other products, related products, because of this past data. They store our past data. All right. Product recommendation and sentiment analysis. They understand the sentiments. Searching ability, because of searching habit, they understand the sentiments. Now advanced data visualizations. So R provide advanced charts such as box plot, density plot, heat map, statical graphs. These visualization can be displayed inside the Tableau. Okay, by the help of data in R, we will create box plot, density plot, heat map, and a statical graph in Tableau. But we do the calculation by the help of R only. These visualization can be displayed inside a Tableau. Now, common application of R in a business. So sales forecast dashboards like 2024, 2026. See, graph from 2024 and the future graph. This is the prediction. All right, like this, our system can predict. Create a dashboards. After creating a statistical analysis, we create these kind of dashboards in a Tableau. Now, hands-on experience. So deploy R Studio on a Tableau. Install R. Let me explain how to install R. Let me check the. This is the installation procedure. You can install. It's a very easy. I'm going to show you how to install. Let me check the other topics. Wait, wait. Okay, fine. Hands-on experience. Create a line graph using the interface. So then. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to install the R first. How to install? See, type crane.r project.org on a Google. Let's go to the Google. I am copying this directly. Even you can also copy. Not now, after this class. Okay, crane.r project.org. Enter. It will take you to this here, R project.org, the real website. Click on this. See, R language. You have to click on a Window, Mac, whatever the Linux, which system we are using. I'm using Window. So I just click on Window. Okay. Once click on Window, it's ask you the like 64-bit or something like that. So it's a basic. I want basic. Click on base. Okay. Yeah, all are free. Completely free. Okay. Download R from the window. Wait. I want basic. Install R for first time. Here. Download R 6.1 64-bit. Here. Base, binary based. After that, download R 0.4 or something like that. The latest version. Okay. Just click on this. See, downloading is started. Okay. So its file size is almost bigger size. All right. So it's writing 1 hour. I'm using high speed internet. Still okay. But I already installed. So after this step, just I'm going to stop this because I have already installed. After click on installation, you will get this file in your system. Go to download. This one. See, R 6.4.60 win. Double click on this. Next, next. Click on the create an icon on the desktop. Next, next, finish. That's all. Simple installation. So you will get after installation you will get a logo here. Okay. Now you need to run this code on a platform. So if you want, you can install R installer runner, something like that. But I use this one, Visual Studio Code. You can write any code on the Visual Studio Code. R, Python, Java, C program, any code. Oh, so that's why it's already in my system. I didn't install any other software to run my R code on the different platform. I just use this one because I'm familiar with this. And even this is easy. Most of the people using this VS Code. It's a popular and famous. Yeah. So I just click on this here. After that, it will tell you save the file. So after writing the name of the file like this, see, click on a file, write anything like learning underscore tableau dot r. If you write R, it means your R extension start working. Click. And what is the location? Sorry. dot r at the end. You have to add dot in. If you use using Python, dot py. If you're using C, dot c. No. We have to connect this. We have to connect this. There is a process. But for you, I'm not going to because see, according to this module, you have to just show the interface how it's working. Okay, because if you because you have to learn first the coding, because without coding you cannot write anything. All right, so you just see how it's working. Okay, if you feel interesting, you can try it also. All right, so like this, this one, I go to file, folder. Yeah, tell me. Different. See, Python is a very vast, okay, and very flexible. So Python used for so many things like web development, game development, system design, calculations. Even you can do the statistical things. Whatever you do in a R, you can do in a Python also. Listen carefully. You can understand the things. Python is are very fast. They are used for different kind of work in different things like web development, game development, system design, data analysis, AI, system generation. Okay, anything. Create a software. So these are the use of Python. What are the use of R? R are used for only calculation, mathematical calculation, only statistical calculation. Okay. So if you are basically in a statistical calculation field, you can go through the R. Otherwise, Python is sufficient. If you know Python, that's all. No other language needed. Just see, already I have written some of the code, and my file name is hello.r. Okay. Let me check where it's saved. Here. This is R. R source. Yes. If I right click here, property. See, what kind of file? R. Dot R. Okay. So it's a R language file. Now let's see how R language can work. I'm going to show you some little small examples so you can understand how this coding works. So if you want to comment the things, control backslash, it will comment. It's not participate in the code. I have a small note for this. Let me show you something, small things in R. So already we know what is our application of R, everything. So if you want to type this, print hello world. See, it's type hello world here. If I change this, if I type Tableau is very interesting, run, type this thing, got it? So we have to write print bracket and this double quote, under double quote write anything. Whatever we write under this double quote, it will print it as it is. Just for example, I am showing you how it's worked. So if you learn the Python, it's nothing. You can easily understand all the things. Okay, just for an idea. Now I want to type this Amit, age, and the salary, just for example. So just type like this in a R language. It's also look like a Python. Python is also similar to this. Name, you have to give this mark, this this symbol, and then under double quote, text value, without double quote, integer value, without double quote, integer value. Okay, and when I run this code, see what is typed. Oh, sorry, print. We forget the print. See, it doesn't print anything. We have to print. Print. What we have to print? Print name. Again, print. Print what? Print age. Again, sorry, print. Print what? Print salary. Now run. See, Amit, this thing. They printed. So this way our language can work. So there is a operator. Other things are same. Operators, vectors, these things. So in each coding language, these are same. Their syntax are different, but the concept are same. Alright. So if you learn the Python, these you can easily understand this thing also. Alright. So it's also look like Python, man. Not too much different than Python. So this way we can write the R code. Okay, and this way we can install the R. And for run the R language, we need a platform to run the codes. That is Visual Studio. I use Visual Studio. Most of the people use like R Studio, something like that. For me, it's easy to run the code in a Visual Studio. All right. Let me check anything left in this module. I have to take one more class on this topic where I can show you how a graph will create when I run the R code. Okay. So done. We have done this part and what? Hands-on experience to create a line graph. Let's suppose if you want to create a line graph by the help of R interface, it's a month, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. These are the sales data, and we connect with the Tableau. I will download Tableau desktop tomorrow. Okay, and I will connect this. No problem. I will connect this time, same time. No problem. Connect connect data to the Tableau. I will connect this data to the Tableau desktop. Connect to the Excel file. If our data in Excel file, we connect with the Excel file, and then create calculated field using the R. Go to the analysis, create a calculated field. These are the formulas we can write in a R. Okay, sum of sales like that. This sends sales data to the R and return to the result. And a blue line chart, drag months column, drag sales column, and select mark card line. At the result, sales trends, month sales trends, and simple line chart created using the Tableau and the R integer. integration. All right, these kind of things. See, you will get this kind of graph. All right. Then use R for trends analysis. For trends analysis, we can use R. We can write the script like this: predict lm.r.1. These are the codes. Okay. Don't worry about the code. These days, people are not writing code by hand. They help ChatGPT to create a code. Okay. No need to write code manually. Just use AI. AI is a guide to write a code. Nobody can write code manually. Send data to the R, create a linear regression model, return predict value, display trends line, and in a Tableau. Now, advantage of Tableau plus R. So, Tableau interactive dashboards, R advanced analytics, Tableau easy visualization, R statics model, Tableau business reports, R give machine learning, Tableau give drag and drop interface, R give predictive analysis. Okay. What is the benefit? Advanced statistical analysis, predictive forecasting, machine learning integration, better business insights, interactive visualization with powerful analytics. Okay. So what is the summary of this module? In this module, you learn about introduction of R. You know about what is the R. Application of R. You understand how to use R. Tableau and R integration, combination of both. Deploy R Studio with Tableau. So I didn't use R Studio. I use this Visual Code, Visual Studio Code. Instead of R Studio, I use Visual Studio. Anything you can use. Visual Studio is more comfortable. This R Studio is basically for R. Why should I use R when I have lots of options, Python and all the things. Configuring the R server, creating line chart using the R interface. So these are the things we learn in this module. Using R for predicting analytics and trends analysis. This integration allows Tableau to combine powerful visual analytics with advanced statistical capabilities of R. This is all about the module 13. Okay, I will take one more class and try to show you how we can give data to the R and how to create a charts in a tablet desktop. All right. Then we have get a clear idea. Okay. This is the last module, and but I will take one more class. And after tomorrow, I will try. Yeah, I will try to connect tomorrow. And after this entire this is the last topic. There is a one additional class, that is mock interview and interview preparation, resume preparation. That is uh, tell me. Okay, you don't want interview mock interview class. No problem, no problem. Yeah, yeah, that is okay. So I will cancel that class. I will take this class only, and but in the mark sheet, I have to show the mock interview and resume preparation part also. So you have to give the attendance on that. Mm. Okay, 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 okay. So that all about the module 30. Yeah, yeah, probably we will connect the same time. Okay, fine. Bye. Good night. Bye bye.